Hello, guys. Good day. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. Welcome to another lesson with Teacher Kelly. Please sit down and listen very carefully. On our lesson today, we shall be talking about household items. Household items. Household items. Household items are the things that we use in our homes. For example, we have furniture, electrical appliances. These are household items. So, for our lesson today, we shall be talking about sitting room household items. The items in our sitting room. So, let's begin. Okay. In our sitting room, we have items like sofa, 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 dining table, dining table, dining table, coffee table, coffee table. And please, you can also repeat after me, okay? I am going to read it very slowly so that you can follow along, okay? So let's begin. Sofa, sofa, sofa. Dining table, dining table, dining table. Coffee table, coffee table, coffee table. Floor carpet, floor carpet, floor carpet. Television, television, television. Air conditioner, air conditioner, air conditioner. TV stand, TV stand, TV stand. Telephone, telephone, telephone. Ceiling fan, ceiling fan, ceiling fan. Standing fan, standing fan, standing fan. Floor mat, floor mat, floor mat. So guys, these are some of the things you can find in the sitting room or the living room, okay? I know in your sitting room or in your living room, there are many more items, right? So let's continue our lesson with making simple sentences about sitting room items. There is a sofa in my sitting room. There is a sofa in my sitting room. There is a coffee table in my sitting room. There is a coffee table in my sitting room. There are 6 dining chairs and a dining table in my sitting room. There are 6 dining chairs and a dining table in my sitting room. There is an air conditioner in my sitting room. My father likes to sit on the sofa. My father likes to sit on the sofa. There are 2 televisions in my sitting room. There are 2 televisions in my sitting room. My mother bought a new floor carpet. My mother bought a new floor carpet. So guys, these are some of the simple sentences that you can make with items or with sitting room items. Let's continue further by asking simple questions and giving simple answers with sitting room items. For example, what item do you have in your sitting room? What item do you have in your sitting room? There is a sofa in my sitting room. There is a TV in my sitting room. What items are found in your sitting room? What items are found in your sitting room? There are chairs, a coffee table, a TV, and a sofa. So this is how you can ask and answer simple questions with household items or with sitting room items. Let me make one more example with sitting room items. Do you have a sofa in your sitting room? Yes, I do. Do you have a TV in your sitting room? Yes, I do. Got it? One more example. Is there a coffee table in your sitting room? Yes, there is. If you have, you say, yes, there is. If you do not have, you say, no, there isn't. Okay? Yes, there is, or no, there isn't. One more example. Are there dining chairs in your sitting room? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. If you have dining chairs in your sitting room, then you say, yes, there are. If you do not have dining chairs in your sitting room, you say, no, there aren't. So right now, what I want you to do as your homework is for you to write down in your notebooks 10 items that are found in your sitting room. So look around your sitting room or your living room and write down 10 items that you can see. And also, I want you to make 5 simple sentences using the items that are in your sitting room. For example, if there is a sofa in your sitting room, you should make a simple sentence with sofa. I have a sofa in my sitting room. Good. There is a sofa in my sitting room. Good. The sofa in my sitting room is beautiful. Good. My mother bought a new sofa. Good. The sofa in my sitting room looks pretty new. Good. So look around your sitting room and first list 10 items that you can see in your sitting room. And second, use these items that are found in your sitting room to make 5 simple sentences. Do you understand? Thank you. So our next lesson will be about bedroom items. Okay, bedroom items. That will be our lesson for next week. Thank you very much for attending this lesson. And please make sure you take good care of yourselves. Thank you very much and goodbye.